In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create linked records in Airtable. Linked records let you connect information across tables so you don't duplicate data. For example, you can link projects to clients or tasks to assignees and keep everything consistent and easy to navigate. Start by going to Airtable in your browser and signing in. Open the base where you want to create the link, then head to the table that will hold the new linked field. At the top of the grid, look for the plus icon to add a new field. This sits alongside your existing column headers. Click that plus to create a fresh field. When the field configuration panel appears, go to the standard field section. From the list of types, choose link to another record. This tells Airtable you want this column to reference records stored in a different table instead of holding plain text or numbers. Click Create to proceed. If you're prompted again to confirm the field type, select Link to another record once more to keep things consistent. Next, choose the table you want to link to. This is the destination table whose records you'll reference from the current one. Pick it from the table dropdown. When you're happy with the selection, click Create to add the field to your table. Airtable will prepare the link and in many cases also offer to set up a companion field on the other table so the relationship points back in both directions. At this point, you can add that field if you want more visibility from both sides, or you can click Skip to keep things simple for now. You can always add or customize fields later. With the linked field in place, you're ready to start connecting records. In your new linked column, click the small plus sign inside a cell on any row. This opens a picker where you can search and select an existing record from the linked table, or create a new one on the fly. Adding links this way keeps your data normalized and prevents inconsistent entries. A couple of quick tips as you work. Use clear primary field names in your destination table so linked options are easy to recognize, and consider enabling the reverse link if you need to report or roll up data later. If something doesn't look right, remember you can edit the field settings at any time without losing existing connections. That's it, your linked records are set up and your tables now work together seamlessly.